In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Elliot Wave Chart Pattern. Quick and easy guide. First, make sure you're on your Tradingview chart with any market you want to analyze pulled up. This could be forex, crypto, stocks, or indices. The process is exactly the same. Take a second to set your chart to a comfortable time frame and zoom level so you can clearly see the price action you want to work with. Now, look towards the top of your screen for the Indicators button. Depending on your layout, it's usually near the toolbar at the top, and it might say Indicators or Indicators and Strategies. Go ahead and click that. This opens the main Indicators window, which is where you can search for built-in tools and community scripts. Once the Indicators window is open, you'll see a search bar at the very top. Click into that search bar and type the word wave. Typing just wave helps narrow everything down so you don't have to scroll through a long list of unrelated tools. As you type, Tradingview will start filtering the results in real time. In the results list, look for the Elliot Wave Chart Pattern tool. The exact wording might vary slightly depending on your version, but you're looking for the built-in Elliot Wave pattern under the Standard Toolset or Indicators section. When you see it appear in the list, simply click on it once. Tradingview will immediately add that tool to your chart or to your Active Tools sidebar, depending on your setup. After you've selected it, move your mouse cursor back over your chart. You should notice that your cursor is now ready to start plotting Elliot wave points. From here, you can begin marking out your wave counts on the price action that you're studying. Take your time placing each point accurately because the quality of your analysis really depends on how precisely you follow the wave structure. If you plan to use Elliot Wave and other advanced tools frequently, it can be worth upgrading to a paid plan so you get more indicators, alerts, and layout options. I have an affiliate link for Tradingview Pro in the description of this video. Using that link supports the channel at no extra cost to you, and it unlocks additional features that can make your charting experience smoother and more efficient. And that's it. You've just seen how to quickly add the Elliot Wave Chart Pattern tool in Tradingview and get it ready for your technical analysis.